Hi guys, so I got my Caffeine AI key a week ago and I've been playing with it since. I made one game and I'm going to show you that and share my experience with Caffeine AI. Of course, there are some things that I would definitely improve, but overall Caffeine AI is very powerful and the game now is intuition game. So I'm going to show you this. I'll just log in with my internet identity. Here we go, and let's play a game. So we have here 3 levels, and your job is to test your intuition. Okay. So let's go for this very basic level, basic intuition. Okay. So our job is to guess where is the right banana hidden. I'm using my intuition. My eyes are closed. Oh my god, I made it! I made it! I made it! Wow! History has been made. It's not easy because the odds are 1 to 10 to guess the right banana. Now I'm going to give you my feedback for Caffeine AI, as I noticed that this leaderboard just doesn't work. It doesn't show any entries, but in fact I won just one game and it is not updated even here. So what I did, I just did tell Caffeine AI that, there are no entries. Try to make it, as you can see, it failed here, but it generated a version that apparently works, but I have no chance verifying it now because I have to wait another 20, almost 23 hours in order to play again, okay? So guys, get in this game and play this game, okay? Let's see if we can get some names here. At least for this one, this is very complicated and this is like God level. I don't believe somebody will win this ever because the odds are 1 to 100. It is possible, but it is hard. It is hard. Now, let's get to Caffeine AI. So this draft, I think, could be improved that it would be more developer friendly. It would give you more information about your app. For example, I couldn't figure it out why this avatar doesn't update on my other devices, and that's why, because this is made client side. Okay. I was like, why this doesn't work? And then I figured out because it must be server side in order to make it work on all devices, because otherwise when it's client side it stores data locally to your browser. Okay. So that's why I say that this draft could be kind of improved and give more information to developers. I know that Caffeine aims to be super user friendly, but guys, like, this is no way it could work like this. Then what I want to mention is that this chat, for example, could be improved because for now, um, Caffeine just generates on its own, and it just is something that I do not like. It should be a button here, and whenever I feel like it's ready to generate, then I click the button and it generates a new version. Because usually I just want to get some information about my app, and then when I post it, it just starts generating, and that's something which I do not like. And lastly, what I want to show you guys is that I did try to create a single elimination bracket generator. As you can see, I have here 3 apps, and I was pretty shocked that Caffeine AI cannot make it. Caffeine AI cannot make a single elimination bracket. Yeah. I thought that I would just tell it that, create a single elimination bracket, easy task, and then I would just change a theme or something like that, make it look better. No, Caffeine AI cannot make it. I had to literally like provide the algorithm of single elimination bracket, and still it was not it. Okay. So that's it, guys. I'll see you next time.